Alright guys, I hope you guys are doing well and in the best of your health. There are two basic purposes of making today's video. First of all, anyone who is planning to buy a laptop and you are planning to buy a Lenovo laptop, you should be aware of the hinge problem, because this is my third laptop where I'm facing this hinge problem, and I haven't faced such problem in other laptops. So you should be aware of it because that's really annoying and frustrating. Because if you look into it, this body is wide open from this place because the plastic body is very weak, and normally the hinge comes out from the plastic body. So this is really frustrating, and this is almost a new laptop. Right after 2 to 3 months of purchase, I faced this problem, and even in the previous laptops which I was having, I faced a similar type of problem. The second purpose is to see how we can fix this problem at home. So there are two reasons for making this video. So those people who want to buy, definitely this information will be beneficial for them. And those who would like to repair, this video will be beneficial for them as well. So this part is already detached. This will come out like this. Clips are there which you can just pull these clips and they will come out. So you can see that this is removed. All right. So all these clips I removed, they are out now. So this is the actual problem. You can see that this hinge is out from the body. It is detached, it is broken. The quality of the plastic body is very weak. So this is my third laptop where I'm facing the same problem. And the biggest issue with me is that Lenovo doesn't provide any support for this. We have asked their support, we have requested them, we have told them that this is not our problem and this is the weak body which they have provided, but they don't listen. Their warranty only covers the service warranty, and the service provider which they have here, they refused. So it's really frustrating, and this is the third time I have faced the same problem, because earlier I bought laptops for myself and this is my son's laptop. So that's really frustrating. So if Lenovo management is listening to me, please do something related to this chronic problem. All your laptops are having the same issue, and I think it's almost 6-7 years when I bought the earlier laptops, and during this period they haven't worked on this problem at all. Same issue was there 6-7 years back, and even today they are having the same issue. So they need to think about it. They need to resolve this issue, otherwise they will be losing the customer confidence. Let's open these screws to detach these hinges. Guys, first of all, you can see that these hinges, they are extremely tight. They are not moving at all by hand as well. All three, like these screws, the body is like broken from these three places. And you can check how weak is the body. This is the place from where this plastic is broken. This is the place from where the plastic is broken, and this is the place from where the plastic is broken. And similar problem I have on the other side as well. Have a look at it. This one. this side. This is broken. And there is no much space where I can do the repair. It's really tricky situation how to do the repair because not much space is available. And what to repair? There is no plastic left. Small parts are like these type of things are there. How I can fix this? It's too small. And honestly speaking, when I look at this setup, any laptop of this brand, any laptop of this particular model at least, if they are having this type of weak body, they cannot resist. And I'm sure everyone or almost most of the people would be facing the same problem. Let's open the body from the back side. So let's open the hinge. Let's disconnect this screen. And this connection is out now. Now my challenge is that this support is so tiny and weak that even if I repair it with some glue or something, it wouldn't last. So it's a big challenging situation. So what I'm planning to do, I will make a hole in the body, and on the other side I will put a metallic plate, and then I will put the screws. So that will provide a little bit of support. So now what I have done, I have made a paste of this epoxy, and this paste I have put at these areas and these areas where I have broken parts. And after some time, after 5 to 10 minutes, I have put this like this and pressed it. So once I press this, it will make a frame which will support later on. So for one day I will leave it like this, and then I will make a hole through this panel body, and then I will fix it. So now we have made these holes, 3 holes on this side, 3 holes on the other side. And what we will do with the help of these screws, I will be fixing this, and these screws will go through this. And on the other side, we will be putting this support. I'll show it to you. Now we are going to fix this hinge. Now we'll put these washers for the purpose of support. These 2 washers I will put later on after cutting them. Alright, at the moment I don't have any tool to cut it, so I will be using it as is, and we will see if there is any problem, then we will find a solution. So at the moment it will look like this, although it's not very nice, but at least it will provide good support. We'll put it here. Now we will fix this one, this and this. It's done, and now we will be fixing these screws. Let's close it from the back side. Now let's fix this spot. Alright guys, so it is all done. We have fixed it from the back side, we have fixed it from the top, and now it is working perfectly. So this is the way it is now. So hopefully it will work, but we need to use it delicately. Is it looking nice? No, it's looking very ugly. And I want it to look ugly because people should notice it and they should ask me why it is ugly and why you have done it like this, so I can explain them about the hinge problem. So thank you very much, Lenovo.